Plan Zero is the blueprint for the global textile printing and dyeing industry. Our mission is combating climate change with scalable clean tech solutions, working our way to a net zero emissions textile industry. We welcome you to Plan Zero, where sustainability champions are made. Plan Zero is a cluster of 3 companies: Imogo from Sweden, Pluvia from Turkey, and Revozona from Switzerland. With globally scalable innovative technologies, substantial reductions in terms of carbon dioxide emissions are achieved. In comparison to conventional machines, the Plan Zero blueprint reduces the CO2 emissions and the use of water by up to 90%. The use of chemicals and energy are reduced by up to 45%, while at the same time the load on water treatment plants is reduced dramatically. Plan Zero will clean up the global textile printing and dyeing industry, this rapidly, in the pace of global scalability. Those printing and dyeing companies, applying the Plan Zero blueprint, gain an increase in both productivity and profitability. Right from day one, they will strongly gain in terms of competitiveness, making them leaders in the production of sustainable textiles, this both locally and globally. Let us jointly save our planet, for ourselves, for Generation Z, for all generations thereafter, resulting in a positive impact for our planet, civilization, industry, and business. By proactively leading this high-impact change, such companies will be perceived by all industry stakeholders, as well as by all end users of fashion and home textiles, as driving force in supplying sustainable fashion and home textiles around the world. Plan Zero contributes to 7 Sustainable Development Goals of the United Nations. Let us start to reduce the CO2 emissions in textile printing and dyeing around the world. Let us do this jointly. Let us do this now.